Hey everybody, how you doing? It is me, Tim, and birds are chirping at 9:42 at night. And birds are still chirping at 9:42 at night. Still 9:42 p.m. They're chirping away. Weird. Can you hear them? Not used to hearing birds chirp at this time of night. Really crazy. Really crazy. So how's everybody been out there? Well, I hope everybody's been doing good. Uh, well, how's the weather been for everyone? For you? Our weather here in Michigan today was kind of on the cloudy side today. Temps were mediocre. Wasn't too bad today. Wasn't too bad at all. Just a cloudy day today it was. Supposed to be getting some rain for the next 2 days, they're saying. Here where I'm at, I'm in Michigan. How long do birds chirp where you're at? Let me know in the comment box. Oh, how long do birds chirp where you're at? It's still kind of funny hearing them chirping this late at night. At 9:45. Just weird hearing them chirp. And I want to say happy first day of summer for a lot of you out there. And if you're having summer where you're at, and happy first day of winter wherever you're at, or spring. And let me know how your weather's been for you. Just curious how your weather has been cooperating for all of you. Lightning bugs out tonight. I want to talk about something that some of you out there that is subscribed to this channel, I don't know who it was or anything, but You know, if you don't like my content on this channel, you know, I got a couple other channels that you might enjoy and like. Feel free to check out my other channels I have. I got the one that I do just vlogging on and stuff. So if you want to check that one out, it's youtube.com/btim50. You know, if you don't enjoy my content on this channel, just go to that one. And I put up content on there. Also, I do got a ASMR channel that I have. If you like that, just let me know in the comment box if you would like my ASMR channel, and I'll put it in just leave a comment, let me know, and I'll give it to you. That way you could check that out. I seen somebody didn't enjoy my 2 train videos from yesterday. You know, if you don't like my content, well, just find my other channels. Just ask somebody else for them. They'll give it to you. But you know, I do these train videos because I enjoy doing them. You know, I did start this channel off as a vlog channel, but then I started my other one, and well, that other one's just started going and started to rise more than this channel, and so I decided to do something different on this channel, and I've been enjoying it. I've been enjoying it, putting up train videos. But yeah, you know, if you don't like the content on this channel, just go to my other ones and check those out. I know some of you enjoy my ghost box sessions, but I just haven't been up to the mood to go do any ghost box sessions. I don't know why. I really don't. I don't know why I haven't been up to it. But to the one that, you know, that didn't enjoy my 2 train videos, you know, just go check out my other channels. Or wait until I put something up. And wait till I put something up. See, the birds have went quiet. They have stopped chirping. Now it's all peace and quiet. There's people at the school yakking away. I think they shouldn't be over there because you got to be out of there by a certain time. They have laws at your public schools and at your parks and stuff, and that you got to be out of them by a certain time at dusk and up until daylight. Well, everyone, hope you all enjoyed this video here. And I came out last night and I heard the birds chirping last night also, and I go, well, that's weird. Why did the birds chirping for at that certain time of night? Yeah, just not used to hearing them chirp. Late at night. But if you did enjoy it, give this video a thumbs up, share it. If you're new and came along this video, hit that red subscribe button down below, and please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos that I got. I got plenty on here, so feel free and check them out. Just stroll through, because I got so many good ones on here that it ain't funny. So feel free to check them out. Again, everyone, y'all take it easy. Have a super fine one. And if any of you out there is getting close to going into a Friday, or almost stepping into Friday, or already into Friday, wherever you're at, around this fine, fine world today, well, happy Friday to you. And if you're still in a Thursday and having a great, great Thursday, wherever you're at around this world today, well, happy Thursday. Again, y'all take it easy. Have a terrific one, everybody. And this vlog is over.